All right, now we're live. Now we're live. Basically, bro, kind of want to get on here and just spit what I'm feeling right now. Is that I'm definitely overcomplicating my journey, and I feel like I'm making it. I just don't know what to stick with, you know. But I also don't think this is a bad thing as well. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. I'm trying to gain up as much knowledge as I can consume right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm currently studying. I just literally just hopped off trying to learn how to spot breaker blocks better so I can do a unicorn model. So I can have a unicorn model. That's kind of different than what I was doing. And I think that it's definitely not a bad thing. It's just it'll take time, but if say I just stick to one model in one setup and one thing that repeats over and over, then maybe I'll have more success doing that than trying to have this and then this and then this. But my overall view of the market will improve if I'm able to have this, this, and this. It's just I don't know. I don't know what to do right now because like I kind of understand maker buy models, market maker sell models, and then if I can also have like unicorn setups, that could be good. But for right now where I'm at, I just don't know what to do. And like you're right now watching this and trying to give me advice, honestly won't change anything. Because I think advice from you per se, although I will take it, I'll take criticism, yes. But trading is so subjective to where I feel like one person has to figure it out themselves. I have to figure out what works for me, but it's just gonna take time and it's gonna take work and actual effort put it into it. It's not just gonna happen out of nowhere. So that's kind of where I'm at, where my head is. But anyways, enough of what I am feeling and thinking. We are just gonna look at the charts today, and I took one trade. I took one trade pre market, and then look at this 5 minute chart. Look at this 5 minute chart. For me, looking back at this looks aggressive. This is aggressive. This is just let's go to the 15 minute chart too. This is like let's look at other days like this and like this. Then like this. But just seeing this should discourage you. This should when you're seeing this, you should not want to trade. And I certainly did not want to trade today. I took one trade pre-market. We'll go over that. I do think it wasn't a bad setup, but I don't think I should have taken it. I'm going to be honest. I don't think that I should have taken it. I don't think. But kind of going to review that trade I just took. I took pre-market. Wow. But first, let me throw it up. Let me find. I know it was off that, and then I took a 1 minute. I remember getting filled down here. I took this little cheeky 1 minute off the 5 minute after displacing lower to the 5 minute. Stop above this. Take profit all these stacked lows. I mean, I just don't think it's necessary. I honestly just don't think it's like that necessary. But let's look at higher time frames. Coming into the day, I was a little bit bearish just because we had this 1 hour. Yeah, it was this 1 hour. Wait. Hold up. we had stacked equal lows down here, and I think we're definitely going to draw towards that. And we kind of had stacked relative equal 4-hour lows. We just took buy side on a higher time frame. I expected us to be a bearish day, retracing this imbalance, which I think we might get tomorrow. But really, bro, if I'm gonna be honest, I mean, there isn't really a whole lot to this trade. There really isn't. It's pre-market. Maybe I was a little bit antsy to take a trade. Maybe I really wanted to put on a trade. I mean, I could see why I took it, but just wasn't the greatest. I mean, all the stacked liquidity down here doesn't really make it too bad, honestly. Like this, I took what I didn't risk that much. I stayed risk. So if I am gonna take a trade pre-market, like this is good. Like this is good if I am. Good risk. Like a 2-to-1 risk to reward trade, but I think I could have got a better setup. I think I could have looked for a better setup. And I especially going into a Monday. I think that I need to be more strict. Like, yes, this is a setup, but it's not really. We do have all of this, which I thought was going to be the draw, and I ended up winning this trade. But say I ended up losing this trade. Say I went up and just got stopped out here. And what do you know? This could have just been a retracement back into this 5-minute. Where is that? We had the 5-minute imbalance. This could have been a retracement back into this. Not a terrible trade, but let's kind of go over what we did. So I'm kind of just like, I'm waiting. Market's opening right here. And then we get a push up into these lows. We sweep these lows. So I'm still bearish. Like I still want us to go to this low, to all this liquidity down here. I still want us to, and we probably will overnight. That's my guess. Is that when we open up in the morning, like we'll open up like either around this or below this. So I wanted us to head towards this low. I really did, and then we just kind of end up just like nothing really. This is not appealing. Kind of have a breaker here. I mean, I guess this could be. We do have a tap into this order block. We have order block here as well. Cause that breaker structure. But looking back, like especially on the 5-minute, that's really all there is. And then order block, take it up to buy side. Yeah, let's actually scroll down and analyze. So we have that order block break. Do we create any sort of imbalance here? I guess here. But I don't like this imbalance because it's not that certain. Take up to buy side. Stop would have to be like. It's not really that worth it. Or your stop could be. Yeah, I don't know. Off the 2-minute, you do have a fair value gap here. BPR, like this wouldn't be a bad entry. Try to enter off here, but we never retrace back into there. So overall, I don't think this is really something that you need to trade. I don't think this is a day you really should be trading. And I would rather have. See, I just need to like come in terms. Because we have this buy side up here. Like this was a buy side level I was looking after, and I thought that we were going to come back into here, but me putting the pieces together of like what we were doing here, I just didn't like the price action, so I'm not going to force a trade. I'm going to point in time to where I think that sometimes less is more. But at the same time, I'm on a demo account, so why not test trades, fire off trades? Don't fire off trades for no reason though. Fire off trades to test my conviction with my draw, and that's what I think I might start doing. And that's what I think I might start doing. I think that's my approach now. Is if there's a trade setup that I think could work out, I'm going to take it because I'm on demo. If it doesn't work, I'll journal it and I'll go over why it didn't work. And I actually did. So I was going to the gym. I was gonna run, and then my AirPods were dead. And I live right next to my gym, so I go to the gym, and then my AirPods are dead. I didn't realize it, so I just go back here, and then I actually stumbled upon the charts. It was, where did I take it? 11:59 is when I exited. I exited a sell. And I'm actually am gonna journal this. I was just gonna fire this off. 11:59 is okay. So I actually got. I really wanted to head to this sell side, but I failed to see. We're kind of failing to displace. So yeah, all this buy side up here. That's why this didn't play out. That's why this didn't play out at all. We have all this generated buy side up here. We have this high up here. We're going to move to take out these before then we head lower. And then we finally get displacement through a low here. Then this fair value gap. I guess maybe. Stop at this high. Target recent low. This isn't a terrible trade. Do I like it? Not so much. But this isn't like the worst trade ever. This isn't the worst trade ever. I'm going to screenshot this and journal it. We just have buy side swept and we get displacement lower, create a fair value gap. And then yeah, that actually looks solid. That actually doesn't look bad. Gonna journal that. I'm also going to shorted this high up here. Like yeah, this will be pretty simple. Like that just did not work. But I'm currently, so what I want to start doing is, yeah, let's also, what I wasn't doing today and what I could have done better is I wasn't really paying attention to ES. I haven't really been paying attention to ES. And I think that I need to start paying more attention to ES. Yeah, it is tricky for me right now, kind of keeping track of two different pairs, like different time frames. I'm looking for intraday setups. I'm looking for like quicker setups, you know. So it is a little bit trickier for me. So that might cause a little bit of, wait, hold up. This is also breaker block. So we have so we have a low, a high, a lower low. Oh, that's a bullish breaker. I sent you a DM on Discord. Alright, I'll look you check it right now. I don't got anything better to do. Oh yeah. I can't do anything about that. I feel like there's always going to be fakers, I guess. But there's nothing I can do. I think I'm pretty sure there's also like a fake account on Instagram of me. It's like Sut Raids. It's like Sut Trades with one T. There's nothing I can do. Like that account was blocked me on Instagram, and I'm pretty sure it just like reposts all my content. There's nothing I can really do about that. I mean, I really don't have a whole lot else, honestly. I really don't have a whole lot else to say, but I think yeah, like bro, you got nothing better. I don't even know what they do. They probably DM you and ask for like crypto or something. Like imagine doing that with your life, like trying to fake an account, be like send me money or something. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. Actually, this was a really quick aftermarket session, but we'll be back for live stream tomorrow. I'm pretty excited for tomorrow morning, so I hope to see you guys there. If not, then it's totally okay. But continue to get better, continue to work on my craft and my abilities.